What if I told you that a simple morning drink could help you balance your blood sugar naturally? What if that one habit in the morning could support your energy, protect your pancreas, and keep diabetes complications away? Don't skip this video, because your health could change with this one remedy. Stay till the end because I'll share the exact recipe, lifestyle tips, and the natural science behind this morning drink. Introduction. Welcome to Golden Health Tips, your trusted channel for natural remedies and healthy living. If you or your loved ones are struggling with high blood sugar, prediabetes, or diabetes, this video is for you. Managing blood sugar is not only about medicine, it's also about the right lifestyle, food choices, and daily routines. And one of the most powerful routines is starting your day with a natural drink. This morning drink is easy to prepare, completely natural, and loaded with ingredients that science has shown to improve insulin sensitivity, reduce sugar spikes, and support overall metabolism. The problem: diabetes is one of the fastest growing health challenges in the world. Millions of people wake up every day with the fear of fluctuating sugar levels. High blood sugar leads to fatigue, poor concentration, frequent urination, slow healing, nerve pain, and even risk of heart disease. But here's the shocking truth. Many people skip breakfast or grab tea with sugar, bread, or processed snacks in the morning. This creates an immediate blood sugar spike, and the whole day goes into imbalance. Question: what if you could start your day with something that doesn't spike sugar, but instead balances it? That's where this diabetes-friendly morning drink comes in. The solution: morning drink. This morning drink is a blend of powerful natural ingredients. 1. Fenugreek seeds, methidana. They are rich in soluble fiber and compounds that slow down sugar absorption. 2. 3. Cinnamon stick darkini improves insulin sensitivity and reduces sugar spikes. 4. 5. Lemon helps detoxify and balances pH, which supports metabolism. 6. Warm water activates digestion and hydrates the body. Hachi. How to prepare. Take 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Soak overnight in a glass of water. In the morning, boil the water with 1 small cinnamon stick for 5 minutes. Strain it into a cup, squeeze half a lemon, and drink on an empty stomach. This drink balances sugar naturally, keeps you full, and prevents unhealthy cravings. Remedies, tips. Along with this morning drink, follow these natural remedies. Stay active. Walk 15 to 20 minutes after meals to lower sugar spike. Eat fiber-rich foods, oats, flax seeds, chia seeds, and green vegetables. Avoid refined sugar and white flour. Replace with whole grains. Hydration. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Good sleep. Lack of sleep increases insulin resistance. Lifestyle changes. Lifestyle is the foundation of blood sugar control. Regular meals. Don't skip breakfast. Eat balanced meals every 4 to 5 hours. Stress management. Practice deep breathing, yoga, or meditation. Stress raises cortisol, which raises blood sugar. Weight control. Even 5 to 10% weight loss can reduce sugar dramatically. Natural snacks. Replace biscuits and chips with nuts and fresh fruits. Routine checkups. Monitor sugar levels with a home glucometer. So friends, balancing your blood sugar naturally starts with small habits. This morning drink is a simple, effective, and diabetes-friendly remedy that can become your lifelong health partner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Golden Health Tips. Your support motivates us to bring more natural remedies and lifestyle solutions for your health. Remember, one healthy choice every morning can save you from years of suffering. Stay healthy, stay natural, and stay blessed.